Hey NeuronNova family, today we're diving into something that's been sparking conversations all over social media. The fascinating dynamics between gay and lesbian experiences. And trust me, what I discovered while researching this topic completely changed my perspective. You know those viral tweets claiming gay men and lesbians are totally different species? Those TikToks comparing gay culture versus lesbian culture? Well, get ready, because we're about to explore what makes each experience unique before revealing some surprising connections that'll blow your mind. Let's start with the beautiful differences that make each journey special. First up, our social spaces. While gay culture often gravitates toward vibrant nightlife and drag performances, lesbian communities historically created powerful networks through sports leagues, bookstores, and coffee houses. Imagine walking into a lesbian feminist bookstore in the 1970s. It wasn't just about books, it was a revolution in print. These spaces became sanctuaries where women could discuss everything from politics to poetry, organizing movements that would change the world. The way we express ourselves, that's another fascinating chapter. While gay men developed elaborate codes through fashion and accessories, check out our last video on gay men's fashion history. Lesbian culture carved its own path, from the bold androgyny of the 1920s to the radical feminist styles of the 1970s. Each movement wrote its own rules of visibility. Think about the power of a simple item like the lesbian leather jacket. It wasn't just fashion. It was armor, identity, and revolution, all stitched together. Speaking of cultural markers, let's talk about our spaces of resistance. Gay bars became legendary for their role in the Stonewall riots, while lesbian feminist collectives created underground newspapers and art spaces. Different approaches, same revolutionary spirit. The gay disco scene of the 70s was creating liberation through dance, while lesbian folk music festivals were building communities through song. Both were changing the world, just with different soundtracks. And let's dive into activism. Gay men's movements often focused intensely on health crisis response and marriage equality, while lesbian activists were pioneers in workplace rights and feminist causes. Remember the Lavender Menace? These fierce lesbian feminists challenged both homophobia and sexism, fighting battles on multiple fronts. Meanwhile, gay male activists were creating organizations like ACTUP, turning grief into powerful action. Different battlegrounds, but oh, what powerful impacts they made. The dating scene? That's where you really see some fascinating contrasts. While gay men pioneered early dating apps and hookup culture, lesbian communities often built connections through friendship networks and social events. The jokes about U-Haul lesbians versus gay dating apps might make us laugh, but they reflect real differences in how our communities approach love and relationships. But here's where it gets really interesting. The bridges that connect us. Remember the AIDS crisis? When the world turned its back, lesbian communities stepped up as caregivers, medical professionals, and fierce advocates. This wasn't just allyship, it was family showing up for family. The lesbian community literally kept gay men alive when hospitals turned them away. That's the kind of bond that transcends any differences. Both groups understand the heart-racing moment of realizing you're different, that precious, terrifying instant of first love, the courage it takes to come out, the joy of finding your chosen family, the pain of rejection, and the triumph of self-acceptance. These aren't gay or lesbian experiences. They're human experiences that bind us together in ways straight people might never fully understand. And here's something beautiful. Both communities mastered the art of creating safe spaces. Whether it's a gay bar in the Castro or a lesbian coffee house in Greenwich Village, these weren't just locations. They were sanctuaries where people could finally breathe freely and be themselves. Both groups learned to read subtle signals, develop secret languages, and create underground networks of support. Different methods, same survival instinct. The political power? Unstoppable when combined. When gay men and lesbians united for causes like marriage equality, workplace protection, and healthcare rights, they changed laws, challenged stereotypes, and reshaped society's understanding of love and identity. Remember the fight against "don't ask, don't tell"? That victory came from standing together. Today's generation is writing a new chapter that would amaze our predecessors. Young LGBTQ+ folks are creating spaces where these historical divisions fade away. They're challenging binary thinking about both gender and sexuality. They're showing us that our differences aren't walls. These aren't just events, they're threads weaving a stronger community tapestry. Our different experiences don't divide us, they make our rainbow brighter. Each perspective, each tradition, each way of loving and fighting and celebrating adds another layer of richness to our shared story. The next time someone says gay men and lesbians are too different to understand each other, remind them it's our differences that made us strong enough to fight for our rights, brave enough to be ourselves, and wise enough to know that together we're unstoppable. Our diverse approaches to activism, love, and community have created a movement strong enough to change the world. Before you go, share your thoughts in the comments. What moments of unity in our community have touched your heart? What differences do you celebrate? And don't forget to hit subscribe for more deep dives into our fabulous cultural history. To learn more about diverse LGBTQ+ experiences, check out my other videos on gay culture and history. Until next time, NeuronNova family, keep shining and keep celebrating what makes us uniquely beautiful. Remember, whether you're gay, lesbian, or questioning, you're part of a rich tapestry of resistance, resilience, and love that spans generations. Rainbow sparkle.